This is a different kind of reading. Today I am going to do what will happen from 1st May to 8th May, and each of the days I am going to do a bit of a general prediction, the psychic messages, and I will also take out charms, what is good for each day, like the color. Here are the charms and I'm going to take them out, so I'm going to keep telling you which one is fine. So I'm keeping this here right now, and as the video progresses, I'm going to tell you. So this is for every day of the week. So let's see. I've shuffled the cards. So this is for 1st May. Let's see what comes on 1st May. Guys, this is a general reading. Might or might not resonate. And if it resonates, it's fine. If it doesn't resonate, let the message fly away. And not all messages might resonate. A few messages might resonate. So guys, let's start. So let's see what happens on the 1st of May. What are the general predictions? 1st of May. Don't let your past hold back. So a lot of you, if you're letting your past hold back, don't let your past hold back. This is for 1st May, guys. These are general predictions for 1st May. I'm going to do 1st to 8th May. So guys, don't let the past hold you back. Let go of the burdens. Let go of the lover or the relationship, or if it's a job situation, don't let the last job hold you back or whatever. If it was a very negative job and you wanting to do a certain the same kind of job, and you think probably the next job is going to be like that, or your boss was not fine, and you were holding burdens of or negative feelings from the last job, please don't hold that back, and with a free mind, just think of positive things and go ahead. And it is a very strong message for 1st May if you're going to do something like this. If you were thinking should you stay or should you walk away from the person also, or from the job, or any kind of situation that you are close to or is affecting your life, please don't let the past hold you back. So this is your message for 1st May. This is a message for 1st May. Let me see what is another message for 1st May. This is your love card. Willingness. You are willing to start a new relationship, you're willing to start a new job, and you're also willing to compromise in whatever, if the end result is good. So you are ready to make compromises in the relationship or in the business or in the job or the financial situation, whatever it is, and you will feel better. So that is for 1st of May. You're willing to make adjustments also is what I get. Let's see what is the third card. The third card is you were anxious, but right now it is fine. It is that the anxiety is not holding you back, whatever decisions you're going to make, and you were anxious for, I'm going to say, 9 days or 10 days weren't really good for you, but I think your anxiety levels are going to come down. So guys, this was your reading for 1st May. Also get number 10 is important for you, number 11 is important for you. Let me see what crystal is good for 1st May. A heart. Draw a heart. On the 1st May, draw a heart. Write the name of the person you want the person to come. If you want that person to come close to you, draw a heart in a plain sheet of paper and write the name under the heart. And also white is good for you guys. So that was for 1st May. Let's move on to this your messages for 2nd May. What will happen on 2nd May? If you were worrying that you and your loved ones are safe, somebody is not safe, somebody is not feeling too well, especially if you're a Cancer, you're dealing with a Cancer sign in your family, somebody is not well, because this came reversed. And if you're worrying about their safety, how they are, just tell them to be careful, especially your loved ones, your parents, or anybody you close to. If you've been worrying about them, this is for 2nd May. Just ask them to be a little bit careful when somebody's coming down from the steps or the stairs. I don't know why am I getting that channel message. So if anybody you love, or if you have a house, a duplex, or anything that has stairs from 1st floor or whatever to 2nd floor to 1st floor, 1st to ground, just tell them to be careful. I don't want anybody to slip on the stairs. 2nd is unity, and it says it's come reverse. So you understand the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect, something to do with unity. You are right now not working with your partner is what I get, and there is some ripple effect that is happening. I don't know, I also get the fact that you want to break free, though it's a very different card. I feel that I also get you were going to get united with your loved one, but that's not happening, and that's going to take time. I don't know why I get with this one. That's why probably you are worried that the person is not safe. It might be with your family. You are not getting united with your family. I'm going to take this card as being united with the family, and it's going to take time. I think you're away in this COVID situation. Yes, some kind of a deceit you're worried about. Just be careful, guys. Anybody, especially a loved one or anything in business, finance, should not deceive you. And there is deception, and the person is not wearing a mask, but the way the person is looking at you, or whoever you're dealing with, just be careful about it. Especially the person who is holding money for you in the hand. And I also feel the person is going to steal something. So just be careful. If it's a business partnership or whatever, just be careful about your finances. This is for 2nd May, especially you're in business and working with the partner. Please just be careful about the balance sheet, the finances, the assets, and whatever's been written on the balance sheets. So just be careful about that. That's what I get. Let me see what is the color for you guys. And number 7, just be careful from anybody who's a number 7 is what I get. Green is important for you guys. Color green is good for you. On 2nd May, green is good for you. Those cards go back. Now I'm going to move on to what comes on 3rd May. Let me see what are the general messages for 3rd May. The end of a tough cycle is approaching, though this card came reversed because it came this way. The tough cycle or whatever the tough situation that you're facing in your life will take time, though this came reversed, but I'm still letting you see the card. This is for 3rd May. The tough cycle will end in 11-12 days is what I get. And you are a Capricorn, you are dealing with a Capricorn. So beige, don't wear beige for 1 or 2 days. I don't know why it will depress you. Any color closer to beige, light brown will depress you. Detachment, yes, you're getting detached from a situation. Maybe that will be the end of the cycle when you get detached if it's a love situation, because this is a love card for 3rd May. You are going to get detached from someone and you're going to pull back. I don't know if it's a partnership, maybe from the partnership, or if you're working or if you're in love, I feel that you will get detached. And you are going to break your old patterns, or you understand that the person doesn't serve your highest ideal of love, and that's why I want to get detached from that person, and you are pulling away is what I get. Let me see what is your 3rd card for 3rd May. Yes, somebody is envious of you, or you are envious of somebody. Probably you're envious of the 3rd person, and that's why you're getting attached and you don't want to be in the relationship anymore. And you understand there are more than one people involved in this situation. I don't know why I get a lot of deceit in this situation also on 3rd May. So maybe this could be a continuation from 2nd May. You are getting detached, or could be that you were envious of someone and you couldn't handle it, and that was a tough cycle for you because you couldn't get involved. You didn't want to get involved in a situation where there were like 3 people involved, and you just wanted to pull away. And just be careful of somebody talking about you behind your back, because I see this person, especially this guy, talking a lot about you. So just be careful. Let me see what color is good for you on 3rd. Silver color is good for you guys. Silver color is good for you for 3rd. On 3rd May, wear silver. So I've done 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and I'm on to the 4th. So this is from 1st May to 8th May. What are your messages? And let me see. This is for 4th May. Meditate. Meditate to get the answer. If you're a Piscean or you're dealing with a Piscean and you want to resolve a situation with the Piscean, or I don't know why it's about 2 people. It's about a balance in the relationship. I'm reading the card very differently. Like I always say, I read my cards very differently. Some kind of coming to a balance is required right now, both swimming in the opposite direction. I don't know why you are going to deal with a Gemini on the 4th of May, and just meditate, think about the situation, and the answers will come to you is what I get. I also get that this situation has been happening since Feb. Release has come reverse. So if you were thinking of releasing the person, I don't think you're going to release the person. This is a love card, and you know that the person belongs in your life. You understand the importance of the other person. You know that you two belong together. I don't know why I get a soulmate energy. I feel that you have found your soulmate with this card, and with this card you also feel that I feel there's some kind of a commitment coming. If the other person also said that I'm going to walk away, the person is not going to walk away. The person is going to commit to you guys. So this is not a release situation. The person is not going to release you from the love situation. Neither will you release if you were thinking of releasing the person. Going on a journey. I feel you are going to go ahead with the person. That's what I feel. And in 2 years, I get in 2 years, your bonds are going to be stronger, guys. That's what I feel. Your bonds are going to be much stronger, and you two are going to be in love with each other, and this will last longer, guys. This is what I get. This whole situation will last longer. So those were your that was your reading, and let me see what I'm gonna get. So the first one got white, the second one I think got green, and then there was a silver. Let's see what this one gets. Black. Black is good for you guys. I also got a black here with the moon. Black is good for you guys. So this was 4th of May. 4th of May goes back in the cards. That was your reading for 4th of May. Let's see what 5th of May brings. Be bold and make the first move. You're not making the first move. You are not stepping out of your comfort zone, guys. I also feel this reading is for Sagittarians. I don't know why. On the 5th of May, it's either you dealing with a Sagittarian, or you're a Sagittarian, you're a Aries, you're a Capricorn, and you're very much in your comfort zone. You're not moving out of it. If you don't move out of it, it's also about your job. If you don't move out of your comfort zone, or you're not, I don't know why also that you're feeling that you should not be giving that interview. You're getting scared of that interview. That interview is coming up in this week after the 8th or something, and you are getting worried that will I be able to speak well, will I be able to interact well. I don't know why you're getting worried about dealing with an authority figure. I don't know why with a lot of you this is the first interview that you're going to have, first step, and it's already scaring you. So don't be scared. Be bold and give your interview. Or if it's a love situation, be bold and make the first move. Tell the person how you feel. Yeah, you have to be spontaneous. You're not spontaneous. You're not telling the person. You're waiting for the other person to tell you how you feel, how he feels or she feels. I feel that you need to be a little free. Stop constraining yourself, especially your mind, and freely express what you want to lovingly to the other person. Let's see what is the card for 5th May. One more card. Yes, there is a lot of opportunity. There's a new beginning. I'm going to take this card as a new beginning. So if you're going to make the first move, and if you're going to be bold enough, and you're going to put a lot of creativity in how you're going to express yourself, this is a new beginning of a relationship. This is about a new job. Be bold and give a very good interview. Have all the confidence. Don't worry about anything. People are not going to judge you, and everything will be good, because this is, I can see the sun. The sun is happy, so the sun is going to shine on you. You're going to feel bright and happy and positive, and you're going to get good results in like even for in 1 year you're going to be really stable in your job or your relationship. This card is new beginning for me, guys. It's also dealing with the water sign. You're a water sign. You're dealing with a water sign. So this was the reading for 5th May. Let me see what is a good color for you for 5th. On the 5th, what should you wear? Blue is good for you. Light blue is good for you guys on 5th May. So a 5th May, wear blue, carry blue, or drink from a mug that is blue, or carry a water bottle that is blue, whatever. This is for 6th of May. It says it says step out of your comfort zone. So 6th of May, again the same situation. Please step out of your comfort zone. I get a lot of purple in this. You need a lot of healing, guys. I don't know why I feel that you are scared. You've not had a good time at this job, or if it's a hard situation, you've been scared from the past, and you are not really stepping out of your comfort zone, and you are really scared of saying things out aloud to the other person, and something to do with I don't know why I get a lot of Gemini in this. I get a Piscean energy. I get a Scorpio energy. So if you're any of these signs, or you're dealing with these signs, while dealing with these signs that I've mentioned, be a little bolder. The person expects you to do well, even if it's an interview. You have to show you have to show a lot of confidence, guys. You can't be meek in this situation. If it's a love situation, finance, job, whatever situation, please don't be meek. Be a lion, be a lioness, like I always say. Step out of your comfort zone. Only when you step out of your comfort zone, you will get new opportunities, new beginnings. So let's see what is the card for 6th May. Respect. Somebody respects you, you respect the other person, and you value the other person. There is some person in your life that you really respect, and you ask for the person for his or her opinions. It could be a family member, could be a loved one, could also be a boss. I think on that day you're going to ask somebody for some kind of opinion, or if you are going to make a decision, I think you're going to ask somebody who you really respect, and you respect whatever words that the person says, or whatever advice the person says, and you really look up to the person. And on the 6th, you'll really listen to the person. If you have any problem, that is your person. That's your go-to person. Let's see what's victory. Guys, this is victory situation. This is awesome on 6th. Number 10 is also important for you. I get number 8 and number 2 individually are also important for you. So on the 6th, whatever you undertake, a new job, or if you tell someone that you love the person, so you have to step out of your comfort zone, because this came reversed. And I think you really respect the person you're working with, or you are in love with, and the person also has mutual feelings for you. There is victory on the 6th of May. So it's going to be a fantastic day, guys. Let's see what you should wear to make it more fantastic. Wear pink. Pink is good. So I almost got pink and purple energy, guys, in these two cards. Like you can see, I get pink, and I also want to say gold. Gold is also good for you on the 6th of May. That's what I get. So let's move on to, let's see what's on the 7th of May. 7th of May, let's see what happens. 7th of May, have faith in your dreams. Whatever dreams you've had, romantic or being with the person or in the job or starting a new business. If you want to start a new business, this is your time, guys. Have faith in your dream on the 7th of May. It's a fantastic day for anybody who wants to start his or his business, online business, a new creative business, anything to do with creativity. So I get a lot of earth signs are going to start a new business, and I also get a lot of air signs are going to start their business on the 7th. It's going to be back on the track. Compassion. Whatever you do in the situation, show compassion. Show that you really care for the person, and you also thank the person for being in your life, and you're not really telling the other person that how much you love the other person, and you need to tell the person that you value the person. So this is especially a love situation. I don't know why I feel you're dealing with a number 4, you're dealing with a number 8. Some kind of a financial constraint will happen, so just be careful. You have to have faith in your dreams. So on the 7th, you might have less of money to roll something out or to put it in motion, you know, your new project, startup, or whatever you've been dreaming about. I feel you've been dreaming about it a lot, and I also feel this could be a passion about behind your dreams, but you do have the dreams, but somewhere your passion is not matching your dreams, so you need to put in passion. Maybe this means that you need to put in passion on the 7th of May, and maybe the finances are holding you back. Don't let the finances hold you back, because it is going to be good if you believe in your dreams. I get from for 4 days or 4 weeks, just be careful about your financial position for 7. Just be ready for any setbacks. Like in business, you need a lot of funds, and just be careful about that. I'm picking out a color for you guys. Let me see what comes. For you also, it's a pink. For you also, 7th May, it's a pink. Pink is good for you. So we've done most of the dates. Let's see what's on the 8th of May. This reading is from 1st May to the 8th of May. Let's see what 8th May has for you. Believe in the impossible. You're not believing in the impossible. Whatever you believe will come into realization or will happen, will become a reality. I get in September, October, November, or December. Think about the present. You are in the present, so you have to believe in the impossible. You're not believing that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, or whatever goals you have in your mind. You need to believe in those goals, no matter how big they are. You need to make yourself believe. Keep your affirmations. Keep doing your affirmations that you will one day achieve those goals, and whatever you want. It could be a love situation, financial, anything, job situation. You're living in the present, guys. That's a good thing. You are living in the moment, and that's the most important to do. And you're putting all the energy and the love and giving it to the present, and not thinking about the past or the future. And I only want to say, just believe in your dreams and the impossible, and things will happen. Yes, you're going to be healed. There is magic. I see it as a magician card. Things will be balanced out. Whatever plans you've made, whatever money you've made, your dreams will turn into reality. I get 6 months from now on the 8th May, and then 6 months from thereafter, you're going to achieve whatever you did go out to achieve, whatever passion you had or anything. I also feel you like adventurous, doing adventurous things. You like taking risks. I think a lot of you would be doing that on 8th. You will take a risk, and I think it's a yes. Whatever you will start will do well. Only you have to believe in yourself, be in the present, and any constraint that comes in your way, financial or otherwise, will be okay. So 8th is also a good time for you, good day for you. So let me see what is the color for 8th. Let's say I get a charm or whatever, so I'm trying to pick up one. So yes, red is good for you. Red color is good for you on the 8th of May. So guys, this was the reading from 1st May to 8th May. This is how the days are going to look like, and I'm going to be back tomorrow with another reading. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please subscribe to my channel, Tam Predicts. Do hit the like button and do comment. I always read the comments. And guys, this is a general reading. might or might not resonate. Another thing I always want to add is that always act on your free will. Don't let anybody interfere. Universe has your back always. Your instinct always guides you right. So if your instinct is really guiding you to go or take a path or to go somewhere, even the others are telling you not to do, please go by your instinct. Please get guided by your inner voice. Do it and you'll see the difference. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.